Hey, John the Pool Expert here. Today we're going to install a Hayward valve actuator onto this three-way Jandy valve in order to get these deck jets, these pipes here, to come on automatically. So let's open up our valve actuator. So you can see it's got it's like a 20-foot long wire that comes with it. It's a proprietary, this little 3-wire connector, and this only gets plugged. This gets plugged into pretty much any pool panel will use one of these, and it doesn't really matter the brand. You can use Hayward, Jandy, Pentair, and they'll all plug into the same connector, so that you can use this actuator with any brand panel. Here's the actual mechanism that turns the valve, and it is a Hayward Gold Line GVA 24 valve actuator. And what this is going to do is this is just going to basically bolt right onto the actual valve, and then it comes with some screws that are just the right length so it can be attached to that. Okay, so first thing we're going to want to do is unscrew this handle off here. So depending on which way you want this to sit is going to depend on which screws that you remove. So this particular setup, the valve is actually just going to sit sideways like this. So we're just going to remove that screw, that screw, that screw, and then you can look at the top here. It's going to be very similar to this one, and so you're going to want to line them up. There's one of them that's skinnier than the other 3 sides, so you're going to line those up so it looks like it's going to sit like that. And now I'm just going to twist the valve so it's ready to be screwed in. Okay, so when you're putting these screws in to hold this on here, be super careful you don't over torque the screws, because you could strip it out, and you can also crack these little pieces that the screw goes into, so you don't want to do that. So this drill has a pretty low torque setting, so you can just set it for lower and then it'll work out good. Okay, so this wire is going to end up getting plugged in to these connectors here. And now it's going to depend on your control system. This is a Hayward, but you're going to have to program it to set it to turn on what valve you want it to turn on, or for pool or spa or whatever. But what I'm doing is I'm just connecting it to this one, and then I'm running it down through here, and then that's about it to how to connect it. Okay, so now that we've got it installed, got it hooked up, it's got power to it, now there's a little switch on the bottom of this, and you can see it says on 1, off on 2. So basically that's a polarity. So if I pull it one way, it's gonna turn one direction. If I push it the other way, it's gonna turn the other direction. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to adjust this valve so it stops at a certain point. That way, I don't have too much water coming out of the deck jets. So I'm just going to turn this until it stops where I want it to go, which is about halfway. And then once we're there, I'm going to put it on the off position. I'm going to remove the top of this valve actually. Okay, so in this particular model, you have these little stoppers that they basically hit these little cams, and these are like little cams that just once they hit this little trigger, it just shuts it off. Okay, so when this is as far this way as we want, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this one back, I'm going to pull this one off, and then I'm going to turn this so it's hitting this trigger. And then this one pretty much is just going to stay where it was. And then we're just going to test it by putting this on there. So it's going to stop right at this point. I can adjust it a little bit one way or the other, but it doesn't really matter for my purposes. And then also, I also need to make sure that it's going to shut off the deck jets when it's off. So we'll just let it go until it stops. Should stop right there. Perfect. All right, so that's it. So that's all we did was adjust these cams so this stops wherever you want it. And this can work on any particular valve. You can have it stop one place or stop in another place. So just by adjusting these cams. So anyway, after that, all you gotta do is put it back together. You know, screw it down. Put the top to your valve on. That's not necessary to use the valve, but is there so you can know where the valve is stopping and starting. And just tighten this up. And now you're all ready to go. Just program it in your system and you'll be set. Thanks for watching.